Hello and thank you for watching this video. This is the Whirlpool 2.1 cubic feet over the range microwave. It is fingerprint resistant and this is made out of stainless steel. The box itself, I just opened it up from the top so you can see what's on top. But for you to be able to take the microwave out, you are supposed to cut the bottom of the box so you can lift the box so you don't injure yourself. These are the microwave installation instructions, and they're very nice and clear about how to install it. It gives you both options, from installing it either under a cabinet or on your wall, just in case you don't have a cabinet to hang it from. But it tells you how to bend it. The templates are included with the kit, so it's a lot easier. It gives you also the instructions on how to bend the hood out, either be from the wall here or from the roof. Mine is going here through the wall. This template, it's included so you can install your microwave over your range, but under a cabinet. It tells you exactly where the holes are going to be, so it's an easier installation. You also have this template if you wanna put your microwave on the wall, and it tells you exactly where the screws are going to be before you put the microwave on your wall. So that's pretty helpful. You have your microwave instructions, how to use, how to take care of it, how to clean it. Everything you need to know about the microwave is in this pamphlet. So you have your turntable and the support with the wheels on it. It also includes the hardware necessary for you to install the microwave. It has all the screws, and all you need is tools to do it. This is what the bottom looks like of the microwave. It has the filter and the light. So there are no buttons on the right panel like any typical microwave. It actually has it on the front screen of the microwave, and it has all the buttons right in front. That's pretty cool because there's more space in the microwave. So you have all the buttons here. They're easy to touch. And if you can see, that's it. That's all there is to it on the side. There's the Whirlpool logo. So once you power up the microwave, it gives you different options on this small screen that's right in front on the bottom of the microwave. As right now it tells you, it gives you directions on how to set up the clock. You also have on the side the light, on, off, low. It also gives you the high, medium, low, or off the fan. You also have the timer, warming up food. And it gives you a lot of different things that you can control right in front. And this little screen gives you all the information you need to know. It's pretty cool.